Hello bachcho, let's read the question. When a charged particle moving with velocity v is subjected to a magnetic field of induction B, the force on it is non-zero. This implies that option A, angle between V and B is necessarily 90 degree. Option B, angle between V and B can have any value other than 90 degree. Option C, angle between V and B can have any value other than 0 and 180 degree. And option D, angle between V and B is either 0 or 180. So bachcho, here our key concept is force on a charged particle moving in uniform magnetic field. So that is F is equal to Q V cross B, which is equal to QVB sin थीटा। अब आपको ये कहा गया है कि जो फोर्स है वो नॉन जीरो है, तो हम ये देखते हैं कि फोर्स जीरो किन वैल्यूज पर होगा। सो एफ फोर्स विल बी जीरो व्हेन sin थीटा is equal to either 0 degree or 180 degree. That means in values पर 0 है. So we can say that force is non-zero when angle between V and B has value other than 0 degree और 180 डिग्री। मीन्स इनके अलावा अगर कोई भी और वैल्यू है तब आपका जो फोर्स है वो नॉन जीरो होगा। सो फाइनल आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, एंगल बिटवीन बी एंड बी कैन हैव एनी वैल्यू अदर देन 0 and 180 degree. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.